What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef, and we back at it again with another video today, man. We finally back, man. It's been a minute. I've been going through some things, but we back, and we about to start back ramping it up, filming content every single week, man. Shout out to all of my day one loyal subscribers, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all, man, because y'all don't know what I've been going through, man. So I just want to say thank you. Thank y'all so much for continuously supporting the channel, all the DMs and everything. On top of that, shout out to all of the new subscribers because the community has still been growing. It's crazy. The community has not stopped growing. And I just want to say thank y'all, man. I'm actually going to make an entirely different video just kind of explaining what I've been going through the past year. You know, it's been a lot. It seemed like once I broke my elbow, things started to kind of go downhill, and you know, I went into this little mental spiral, but it's all to the good though, man. So today we actually going to be doing something different, man. I'm coming back hard, and we doing a lot of product reviews. So today we're going to be reviewing the Meguiars interior, Quik interior detail cleaner. We about to go ahead and clean the inside of my car because it's looking slimy and grimy right now, man. So before we go ahead and jump into the video, make sure y'all go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, and let's get it. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So it's been about a week since I cleaned the interior of my car, man. It's been a lot of tricky weather going on out here in Las Vegas. We've been dealing with a lot of monsoons, a lot of flash floods, so it's a lot of dirt, dust, water, mixture of mud and everything. So we go ahead and get the interior bust down. I'm gonna just give y'all a quick little overview of what everything looking like, man. My driver's side door is grimy, y'all. I went to Starbucks the other day and my drink kind of spilled, so I'm gonna actually pre-clean this mess right here. But look, yeah, we looking real sticky right now, but we go get that taken care of. We go get all of this bust down with the actual Meguiars cleaner. So as y'all can see, pretty much everything is looking real shiesty right now. So we go ahead and we go use this interior cleaner pretty much on all of the actual components. We not gonna touch my leather with it or anything like that. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and jump right into this whole process, and we go see how this thing do. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna show you the back of the bottle real quick. If you want to get the full ingredients list, make sure you go ahead and you check out the website right there. But I heard that this is a very light cleaner that is pretty soft on the material of your car and gives your car a great clean. And for the most part, what it looks like you have to do is actually spray the product directly on the microfiber cloth and just go ahead and start cleaning, and then you wipe away. So I just wanted to show y'all the back of this bottle just to let you guys see that it's a pretty simple and easy process, man. So let's go ahead and get right to this dirty work. All right, y'all, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I got an old microfiber cloth right here. I'm gonna wipe down some of those little stains that I have before I actually use the cleaner. Man, it's my first video back in a while, and I'm out here sweating like I stole something, man. This Vegas heat ain't no joke. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get this camera set up. We got the little microfiber cloth wet and damp a little bit. I'm gonna just do a baby little wipe down, and yeah, man, we gonna make this thing do what it do. All right, y'all, so yeah, I'm just doing a little bit of evaluation. You know what, I'm gonna actually leave this because this is not that bad right here, but we are gonna go over here and we're gonna knock this Starbucks stain out so we can go ahead and use the cleaner, because I'm pretty sure the cleaner will work good against this, but I'm pretty sure, you know, soap and water will work well, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to you know, have any, you know, misconceptions of, you know, the cleaner will do this and do that. So I'm just lightly cleaning up this junk right here. I pull this boy out, man. If you go get Starbucks in the morning and get your drink, make sure you check and make sure that top is all the way on, because that's exactly, my bad, y'all, that's exactly what happened to me. I grabbed my drink out the drive-through window, and the top popped off, and boom, we got a little bit of splash. But I'm just lightly going over this, and it looked like it took the little stains out real quick. My bad, y'all. So we got the stains out. So yeah, you know what, I'm even gonna leave this right here. I think that interior is gonna work. Excuse me, the interior cleaner is going to work pretty well in getting all of this knocked out. So before we do that, let me jump in the car, because I just want y'all to kind of see what the interior looks like right now. I haven't cleaned it. Still got fingerprints all on the actual screen. You know, we got dust and debris all over the place. I have not cleaned my dash in a while either. And you know, we got a little bit of dust in here, so don't get me wrong, I know the dust can be picked up by anything, but I just want you guys to kind of see the actual state of my interior And yeah, man, we go see what this cleaner do. So let's get to work. So first thing we gonna do, we gonna shake this up real good. And the way that it's supposed to work is you spray the cleaner on one side of the towel. So you're gonna have your wet side of the towel, and then you're gonna keep one side dry. So I just folded my towel in 4s. So I'm gonna use this wet side and then flip it over, and we're gonna use that as the dry side. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this sprayed on here. Make sure I don't spray my leather. If it get on there, it's all to the good. So boom, we gonna spray that on there like that, and we gonna start right here on this section. And right off the bat, what I'm noticing is we getting a nice little gloss. Yeah, you know what? I'm actually liking it so far. And like I said, man, I know, you know, soap and water or whatever, you know, a lot of people probably go say, hey, man, you could have did that with soap and water. But it's something about the interior detail products that just are a little bit better and gives your interior a nice little shine. So now that we got this part, let me go ahead and actually, I'm gonna get up in here real quick, just a little bit in here. I'm actually gonna take the dry side, flip it over, and I'm gonna just go ahead and run through. The product says do not allow it to self dry, so we not gonna do that today, not at all, and not at all. So far I'm feeling it. It's looking real good. It's looking real good. Like I said, it leaves like not too much like of a greasy shine, but it leaves a nice little shine on the actual interior. I don't know if y'all can see how shiesty some of this looks right here. So yeah, we definitely go ahead and get this cleaned up. So I'm gonna spray a little bit more on our wet side, and we go ahead and we go bust down. And like I said, it's been a minute. I've never actually used any product like this on my interior. It's usually just a damp cloth, microfiber cloth with no soap or water or anything, just damp. And I just kind of roll through it and get the dust off. And like I said, man, so far I'm actually liking the way that this looks. You know, it's doing its job. It's doing a basic cleaning. You can tell it's not harsh materials at all, but it gives it just a nice little pop and a nice little shine without actually doing too much. So I'm gonna just spray a little bit more on here so I can start getting up around my dash. But yeah, this thing is making it do what it do. All right, y'all, so I want to go ahead and give y'all a good view of me busting down the center console and my screen and everything right here. So far the product has been doing a great job. It definitely has removed like a lot of little small stains and spots that I had in the car on this actual material. So far everything is actually looking good. So yeah, man, it's pretty quick and easy and simple. Now what I did, because the microfiber cloth is actually getting, you know, a little bit drenched, I might be spraying a little bit too much. So I got my single wet one right here, and then I have my dry one right here. So I'm actually gonna come through with the dry one real quick. And you know what, man, this is the cleanest my screen has been ever. Like, no lie, like since I got my new car. So typically, like I said, when I wash the interior of my car, I'm not using any products. I'm just using the actual microfiber cloth with you know, damp with a little bit of water. But when I say this screen is absolutely spotless, I'm gonna do a close-up a little later, but when I say this screen is absolutely spotless, it's absolutely spotless. So let me go ahead and rub this down, get some of that dampness out. Now it's hella hot out here in Las Vegas, so the product is actually drying up pretty quickly. I'm trying my best to get to it before it dries. But yeah, man, Meguiars, y'all got something with this. I am liking this. It's pretty quick and straight to the point. Doesn't have like a strong smell, you know, an unpleasant smell per se. It definitely has a scent to it, but it's not unpleasant at all. So yeah, man, shout out to Meguiars on this product. All right, so now we're moving on to the driver's side, man. It's the Starbucks door right here. Man, if y'all spill anything on y'all doors, make sure y'all get it off quick. It haven't been that long. It's only been like maybe like 2 days or something like that. But yeah, definitely get it off, because ain't no telling if coffee can cause permanent stains or what. But we gonna see. what it do. So go ahead and give this a nice little bust down over here. It's pretty much that stain was here in this region. Here, I'm gonna take this out and wipe this down and go in the crevices. And I actually still see streak marks right here. So this is what I'm talking about. So let's see if this cleaner is gonna get this out. I'm gonna put a little on it, and we'll see if those watermarks came on. And if it don't, I'm gonna feel stupid, because I should have been wiped it down as soon as that spill happened. I still see the residue, but man, this cleaner is amazing. It's amazing for the most part, and I would definitely continue to use it. But we gonna make it see what it do after I'm done. And you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna give this a second to dry. I'm still seeing a little bit residual. Let me bring this over real quick, y'all. My bad. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm still seeing a little bit residual from the actual from the coffee. But I'm gonna go ahead and go over it one more time, and yeah, we go see if those things come away. All right, y'all, so we went ahead and we finished this door, and after going over it a second time and actually, you know, putting a little bit of oomph on it, that coffee stain is completely removed and actually shows no residual at all. So the cleaner definitely did what it did. And the thing that I like about this cleaner as well is my handles. Man, it's making these handles shine. But yeah, man, that coffee stain is gone. So we gonna go ahead and we go finish this up. We gonna go ahead and get the steering wheel, get this part, and yeah, we done. All right, y'all, so we gonna go ahead and we go get this thing wrapped up. I just got a few more spots to go, but man, this is my first day back, man. I'm sweating, and these damn flies keep flying and buzzing around me, man. And it ain't the flies that just like to buzz and, you know, fly away, man. It's the flies that like to land on you, man. I don't know what it is about me and my scent, but these flies, I don't know if they like dark meat or what, bro, but it's time to wrap this up, man. So we go ahead and we just go ahead and bust this down. I already got the man, my bad, I'm throwing off a little bit, but I already got the actual cleaning solution on the actual towel, so I'm gonna just go ahead and run through this real quick. And yeah, man, my steering wheel has not looked this clean and shiny in a long time. This is actually looking pretty amazing for the most part, and we will go ahead and we go bust this down here. I'm actually gonna put this camera down so I can get a better angle, man. I'm over here sweating. I need to wipe the sweat off my face, but yeah, we gonna wrap this thing up in a second, man. So we got most of the top part of this dash. We got the steering wheel done. We got behind, man, the screen on the actual where the odometer and everything at is looking pretty clean. It's looking just like the actual the dash. Man, I'm honking my horn and everything, but it's all to the good. But yeah, this cleaner is working real good, man. It's like 120 degrees in my car though, so yeah. But shout out to everybody that's sticking around watching this video. I appreciate y'all. And then one thing I forgot to say, man, this is not an actual paid. This is not a paid product review. I'm reviewing this as an actual consumer. So yeah, but man, shout out to them. No, shout out to them. And I think I'm done, man. I'm about to just wipe this thing down because these flies is coming back. But dash is looking good. Steering wheel is looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick walkthrough on the final results, and yeah, we gonna end it just like that. All right, y'all, and that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for the video. Now, I should have said this in the beginning, but this is my first day back, so I wasn't even thinking. But going forward with all of my product reviews, we're gonna give this thing an actual rating out of 5. So we gonna call that thing the runner rating, and it's gonna be out of 5. So with this Meguiar's Quik Interior Detail Cleaner, I'm gonna give this thing a runner score of 4.4 out of 5. Now, the product is definitely more than solid. It cleaned up a lot of the interior components and, you know, made them look like new again for the most part. I'm gonna say the only drawback is I wasn't actually wowed or amazed through the roof, but a 4.4 is definitely definitely, you know, more than solid. I would definitely use this product again. I'm gonna keep it in my actual car, but I'm gonna tamper around and play with their products because I think they have one that's above this level that might make it do what it do a little bit more. But 4.4 out of 5, and that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. So once again, shout out to all of y'all. I appreciate y'all for sticking with me through these hard times, but man, we back at it, and we gonna keep pumping these videos out. So y'all take care, y'all stay blessed, and I'll be back with another one.